Hopdeals.com, authority equipment remarketing specialists. We're pleased to offer reference number 131, this 2013 DAF LF55.220. This 15-ton Euro 5 truck has an automatic gearbox and an NTM K 11 cubic metre refuse truck body. Also has a trade bin lift. Has only covered 109,000 kilometres and is tested till the end of April 2020. If you'd like further details on this very clean truck, please contact us on 01430 434 800, email us sales@hopdeals.com, or why not check out the website for all the latest stock, hopdeals.com.